Hello everyone, in this video we will complete exercises of lesson 7 simple tenses. You can see this passage here, highlighted verbs are there in this passage, and you have to tell that which tense is indicated by each highlighted verbs. Okay, so first let's see. Two girls were standing. Were standing is past continuous tense. So am I. Am I. Am is simple present. I wonder if Paul will be. Will be is simple future. Is he going to. Is he going. So is going is present continuous. Paul was the little. Was simple past. He went. Went simple past. I expect he will spend. Will spend simple future. We go back. So go is simple present. Let us see exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. Read each sentence carefully to understand the time reference. First, I lived in South Africa for 10 years. Second, the girls exercise every day for 3 hours. They will participate a competition next month. Third, she left our school last year. She will study in a boarding school now. Fourth, get ready. Here comes the bus. We will leave right away. Fifth, tomorrow is Sunday. We shall see him tomorrow. Sixth, my friends met the Prime Minister yesterday. He promised to look into the matter. Seventh, our maths teacher plays the sitar very well. He performed during the Children's Day function last year. Eighth number, Mr. Aziz will retire next month. He will travel for a month after that. Next is exercise B. You have to rewrite this paragraph in simple past tense in your note copy. Okay. I am. In place of am you have to write was, because we are writing it in simple past tense. I was an actor. I was a member of theatre group. I staged plays regularly. I also trained young pupils who wished to become actors. I need a small flat to train them. I wished I had some more money. I liked enthusiastic and committed children. They make fine actors. Next is exercise C. This paragraph also you will write it in your notebook in simple future tense. Okay. I shall walk to school every day. My friends Ananya and Meghna will accompany me. They will come to my house at 8 a.m. We will leave immediately. Our teacher will join us. Our teacher will join. You will write join. Okay, cut S from, it is written joins. You will cut S. Okay, and write will join. Our teacher will join us near the post office. Sometimes she will pick up the mail from the postman. We will reach school at 8:30 a.m. The school will start. Okay, write start. Don't write starts. Okay, while writing in copy you will write start. You will cut S. The school will start at 8:45 a.m. We shall always begin with a prayer. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. What is the matter with your tooth? B verb you have to write. So you will write is. What is the matter with your tooth, Tom? One of them is loose and it aches. There now, don't begin that groaning again. Open your mouth. Well, your tooth is loose, but you are not going to die about that. Mary, Get me a silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen, Aunt Polly said calmly. Tom said, "Oh, please don't pull it out. It does not hurt anymore." "Please don't, Auntie. I don't want to stay home from school." "Oh, so all this row is because you thought you would get to stay home from school." Tom, I love you so, and you seem to try every way you can to break my old heart with your outrageousness. By this time, the dental instruments were ready. The old lady made one end of the silk thread fast to Tom's tooth with a loop and tied the other to the bedpost. Then she seized the chunk of fire and suddenly thrust it almost into the boy's face. The tooth hung danglingly by the bedposts. So in this way you can practice these exercises. Thank you.